What seat is the best seat to ride on a B&M Floorless Coaster? I've been on 3 Floorless Coasters and have a lot of experience on Medusa at Discovery Kingdom, so I'll be basing most of my information off of this ride. Let's get into it. When it comes to front or back row, it usually doesn't matter because there is no airtime. The front row usually has a longer wait, but it is also a very good experience because it feels like your feet are going to hit the track, especially on the loops. And in the back row, the elements are a bit more intense, especially the zero gyros. I usually go on the back of the coaster because it has a shorter wait, and I like getting flipped around on the corkscrews like faster and more intense. Now let's talk about what seat you should ride. I prefer the far left or the far right seats because they are more intense, but this comes with an additional rattle because they are further from the track. This can add a bad rattle during the corkscrews, sand serpent roll, and the zero G roll, but not during like the big inversion, the big loops and dive loop. That doesn't really have much of a rattle. But also, it matters which side you ride in, the left or the right. On both Superman Fiesta Texas and Scream at Magic Mountain, because both of them turn to the right more than the left, and most of the inversions are to the right, and the drop is to the right, and it really matters that you're on the right instead of the left. It makes a much more intense experience and a much better experience. Now, at Medusa, at Discovery Kingdom, it doesn't really matter, but I do prefer the left side, just because there are a couple more elements that are better on the left side, but you could really go either way. Anyways, that's a wrap to this video. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you like, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.